Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Sarah. Today I'm going to be doing a hack video, specifically Cricut hacks that I found on TikTok. I probably spend more time than I should on TikTok, but I guess it comes in handy for hack videos like this. Anyways, I wanted to try some of these. I've heard of a couple of them before seeing them on TikTok, but I haven't tried them, so I thought I'd try them and share my results with you. But before we get started, I want to thank today's sponsor, which is Skillshare. So if you love hacks and learning new tricks, Skillshare is great for you. Skillshare is an online learning community for creatives like us. It's a great place to learn more and take your creative journey a little bit further, or just learn something brand new that you've never tried before. One thing I would like to get better at is color correcting, so I'm currently taking a class on Skillshare called Premiere Pro Lumetri Color Correct Like a Pro by Jordi Van de Put. Skillshare has so many classes. I'm pretty sure if there's something you want to learn, you'll be able to find it there. I love being able to grow my business on YouTube and Etsy by learning more myself and having the control to do a lot of the creative stuff myself. The great thing about Skillshare is that there are always new classes and it's less than 10 bucks a month when you're on an annual membership. If you're interested in checking out Skillshare, make sure to check my description box because there's a link, and the first 1,000 people to sign up will get a free trial of Skillshare Premium membership. Okay, so the first video I want to try is this Save Time with Matte Scanner. I've actually never used the matte scanner option because I don't often use my iPad Pro to do projects. But I thought this looked really cool and would definitely come in handy in the future. So she's basically using this matte scanner option on the app, and it kind of like takes a picture of all of the pieces of vinyl that you have on there and then maps it out so that you can then place your artwork over them, and then it cuts it out for you instead of having to kind of like check on your Cricut mat the measurements, like the X and Y axis, and then place it accordingly. So this seems like it would save a lot of time and would make things a lot easier. So I'm gonna try and do that first. Okay, so the next one I'm gonna try is using pens that aren't the Cricut pens. I've actually done this before, but the pens that this person is using in the video look pretty cool. They are the Sharpie Intensity Pens, which are like a fine tip permanent marker basically. So I think that those could come in pretty handy for projects where you want a permanent marker but you want it fine tip, and they come in like a ton of colors as well. So I'm gonna try that. I did purchase the pens just for this video. I got them on Amazon because they were kind of hard to find in my area, especially because places are only doing curbside pickup only, so things are hard to find. Okay, so this next one is a sticker hack. I have a ton of sticker videos, so this one will come in very handy. I've seen headlines for this on YouTube to how to do this, and I just never bothered to check them. I don't know, I guess I was just being lazy. But basically with this one, you change the sizing of a square that you put in the background, and then you're able to get more stickers instead of the standard that Cricut kind of locks you to, which is I think like 6 by 7 inches. It's quite small if you compare to an 8.5 by 11 sheet. So this would allow you to save some money and use up your whole sheet, which would be amazing.
So just to walk you through this, you need to create a square, unlock the size dimensions, and put in 6.75 by 9.25. Then you'll overlay your artwork. I've already got mine all together. And then you want to select all of what's on your artboard and click attach. Then you're good to go, so you just want to click make and make as you would.
So the last hack is a cleaning hack for your Cricut mat. Basically, she just uses Windex and then scrapes off her mat using the Cricut scraper. I don't have a Cricut scraper, so I'm gonna use a credit card and see if that works. So this is the mat after it's been cleaned. First of all, it just looks so much better. There was a lot of like leather pieces and whatnot. So it's a lot cleaner and it's definitely sticky. Not as sticky as it was the day I got it, but it's at least probably better than it was. In the TikTok video, she put her hand on it to show that it sticks. And I can also do that, so yeah, I think it's a good way to kind of give a second life to your mat. It's not going to make them perfect, and you'll probably have to get a new mat eventually, but it's definitely worth trying out. So make sure to let me know in the comments below if you like this kind of like hack video, and I will try and find more and do a part 2.